Mary up here in this second set. Mary, for every match, we choose the prettiest face in the crowd, folks. And for this match, our Shakey's face of the game is Mary Rose Dagohoy, 18 years old, from Imus, Cavite. That's her Shakey's GC that she won, or that she wins for being chosen as our Shakey's face of the game. Congratulations, Mary Rose Dagohoy from Imus, Cavite.
Malapit. Ang dami kong kababayan na nanonood palagi ng Shakey's V-League.
And Cavite is like probably 20-30 minutes away.
Without the traffic.
Without the traffic, of course. So again, yung mga nandyan, kung gusto nyo manood dito, very accessible, itong Ninoy Aquino Stadium.
Right, but that attack from Alarca goes out. Yun yung medyo malayo.
Yan ang hindi kayo nag-abot ni Jack Alarca.
Jack Alarca, no, not anymore.
Not anymore. Uy! Bumaho.
Powerful attack.
Jack Alarca, just like vintage Jack Alarca, itong palong to.
Look at that from the middle. And si Alarca is also Caviteña.
Really?
She is also from Cavite.
Wow, ano ba ang ano nyo nun? National pastime, ano ba tawag? Provincial pastime. Volleyball. Meron bang ganon?
Mahilig maglaro ng volleyball ang mga tao doon.
Michelle Carolino. Uy, parang mahaba pero hindi. Pasok. Good block by Jack.
Single block. Not enough for Valdez. Hindi pwede yung single block lang dyan. Look at this.
Look at the form of Alicia.
Oh, that's what you're seeing.
Yeah.
She extends. She pulls from the back, and then when she hits the ball, her body really extends forward.
Kaya yung puwersa nandun eh. Oh, free ball yan. Alicia taking care of business. Wow, Ateneo making their run right now. Down by only 5 points. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Z.
Another good serve.
Oy! Yun ang tinasalak.
Oh, inabot yung ball. The ball was
Inagaw.
actually pa-over na yun eh. Pa-over na, but she was able to set it up.
Sila Alicia nag-aantay na eh. Parang naka-ready na eh. Pero inagaw sa kanila ni Tina Salak.
And again, one of the advantages of having that height as a setter.
Alam mo, naisip ko lang, pagka si Z magsaserve, dapat Z with a serve. Z with a serve. Labo mo. Naigang ganyan.
Oo nga, ikaw talaga, Dok. Kung ano-ano talaga yung pumapasok yung creative.
Sa kalokohan. Sa kalokohan.
Naging creative ka.
19-14. 5 pa rin ang kalamangan ng Philippine Army. Uy!
Oh, Nakachi.
Loss of concentration over at the service area for Nakachi. Sayang kasi they're trying to really make their run right now and slow down itong point production ng Philippine Army. Back to a 6-point lead with Jack Alarca serving. Ang ganda na. Wow!
Jem Ferrer. Good peripheral vision.
Para kasing isi-set niya eh.
Tapos biglang
isang kamay tinulak na ganun. Ers Iratay also in together with Dalia Cruz for the Philippine Army. Yonko gets dug up. Oh, Yonko with a single block.
Single block. And makikita mo dyan, she actually committed, because Valdez is actually a back row player. But Yonko committed to the block. Look at this. Valdez, Yonko was there.
Ayun, nakaabang eh.
Yung iba kasi niyan would just let go because back row player,
diba?
atras na. But Yonko really committing to her blocking duties.
Nabasa this time si Kainglet. Good defense by Lazaro. Phil gets blocked by Dalia Cruz. Outside, no touch. Or yes, a touch on Dalia Cruz. Called by our ref. So at that point, going Ateneo's favor. Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Michelle dumps it. Oy, mukhang hindi over yun. 22-16. Coach Party Tupas calls his second timeout. Let's listen in.
Abangan mo. Ibalik mo block yan. Ha? Nagbibilis naman tayo eh.
Alright, we are here in the second set with the Philippine Army enjoying a 6-point lead. Ian Laurel with Andrew Mula and of course Mitch Datuin over at courtside. Bringing to you this match between the Philippine Army and the Ateneo Lady Eagles. Itong Ateneo, mas maganda kung maipapanalo nito and that would give them 100% that last seat on the bus for that Final Four. Itong Philippine Army naman, may sigurado na the Final Four, but they want to improve their standings going into that that Final Four series.
Good reception by Lazaro.
Nunag with a good dig.
Oh, with the help of the net. Carolino getting that point.
It is set point for the Philippine Army. They are most likely going to tie this match at 1 set apiece. Dalia Cruz with a serve. Ganda nung serve. Lazaro with a reception.
Look at that. Power from Hervasio.
Grabe. Isa pa.
Oh, that same power.
Pero ganun din eh. Si Rachel din ang dumampot eh. Binalik ulit. This time to Phil. Oh!
Nunag and Dakis. Dakis was expecting Nunag to get that ball.
And Nunag, she apologizes because being the libero,
siya yung dapat kumuha nun.
And our referees reminding the players to yung mga bola itabi sa gilid.
Oh, and again, Nunag and Dakis. And Dakis knew it. Ano niya eh, nakita niya agad last minute. She let go of the ball. Ang kulang lang dyan, kailangan may magsabi ng mind.
Ba, nakakadalawa na silang magkasunod na nakakahiyaan. Baka talagang
Nakakahiya talaga.
Shy talaga na dalawang to. Oh, Yonko! Nothing that Ateneo can do with that back quick play of Yonko. We are tied at 1 set apiece. Ito, tingnan natin. Our shaky play yan.
Look at this. Set up to Yonko. Running attack.
And there you go. We are tied at 1 set apiece. Itong Philippine Army nakabawi dito sa second set. We'll be back with the third when we come back.